Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new lesson of civics, lesson 4. It is about men and women, girls and boys. The name of lesson is growing up as boy and girls. We are going to discuss about the boys and girls, how they grow in the society, which type of thinkings are there with the parents for their children as a boy and girl. We will discuss in this at first the introduction, the important part of one's identity, the identity of boys and girls, then influence the kind of behavior we must have. The parents, they want different type of behavior of the girls and boys. About that we will study. Then social outlook in society. What about their status? Are they equal or not? Then most society respect men and women differently, and then the role of women play and the work they do are usually valued less than the role men play and the work they do. These are we will discuss in the society. The thinking of the guardian or parents about their children, the girls and boys, are not equal. In the mind of the parents, it is situated that the girls are not important, but boys are important because they look after, they take care of the house, and girls, they will get married and they will go to other houses. That is why they treat very differently with boys and girls. Girls or women, they play very important role in the society. They are very, very important. They work in the house whole day, but there is no any value of their work, and they do not get any salary. And the men, if they work outside, they bring salary, they bring money, and they have important place in the house, in the society. It is a male dominated society. But when you will think about girls or women, they play very, very important role in the society, in the family. They produce, they take care of one generation. They take care of coming generation, future generation. They build up the nation. They do the work of development in the family, in the society, and that development helps in the development of the country, in the development of the nation. We will discuss these all things in detail by taking examples of other countries, and in our own country different regions are there like Madhya Pradesh and many other parts like Kerala. In Kerala, girls' position is very good. In that area, that the family is dominated by female women, and their population is also high in Kerala. But in northern India, these areas are dominated by male. We will discuss the condition of the other country as well as of our own country, and the situation of the girls and boys and thinking of the people about them. Students, the things which we are going to discuss, the topics which are given in your books, they are the growing in Samoa in 1926. This is the study of Samoa society about the girl and boy both, and then growing up male in Madhya Pradesh in 1960. We will discuss this topic. Then my mother does not work. One story is given in your book. We will discuss this one. Valuing housework. As I told you about the work of women which they do in the house, they are not taken any type of rent or salary. Then lives of domestic workers. The domestic workers means the female servant. They do work in many houses. After doing their own housework for their livelihood, they work in many houses, and they earn money for their own family. At first, we are going to discuss about the first one. This is growing in the Samoa in 1920. What was the condition of Samoa? In Samoa, from their childhood, it is clear that which type of work they have to do. I will explain this by writing on the board. Students, the children of Samoa, they did not go to school. This is a research of 1920, and it is a report of that research. Samoa is a group of islands. It is group of islands. It is in the southern part of the Pacific Ocean. It is the southern part of the Pacific Ocean, means it is surrounded by the water body from the all side, and the work according to their surrounding. They are in the middle of ocean. It is island. In that area, the coconut tree grows very nicely, and also the fish are available in abundantly. That is why their main work is catching the fish and planting the coconut tree. And boys and girls, they both have equality. There is no any type of discrimination. When they grow, when from their childhood, they start working. They learn many things. How to take care of children. In their childhood, they take care of the small babies, children, and then do household work. They work in the house, both girls and boys. They are looked after their elder sibling. The boys and girls both, they take care of the small children, and then when the boy they become 9 years old, they have to join the boys who are bigger than them. They learn from that boy how to plant the coconut plant and also fishing. They learn, and girls continue their work to look after small children, and they do other works which are important. And when they become teenager, girls get much more freedom. After the age of 14 or so on, they get more freedom. They went on fishing. Girls, they go on fishing trips, worked in plantation. As I told you, they grow more coconut plant and other vegetables also. In that case, the girls do very hard work, and they learn to weave the basket for putting things in that area. They use natural thing. They weave the basket from the bamboo, from the natural things, and then the cooking work is done in a special house, and both boy and girl, they, male and female, they both work in that cooking. In this way, in 1920s, before 100 years, when investigation was done in that area, there was equality, and we will discuss later about our Indian society growing up of male in Madhya Pradesh.